The beauty of art is that it means something different for everybody. For Sophie DeFrancesca and this beautiful piece here, art is wire and mesh.
Galerie d'Este was founded and opened in Montreal in Westmount about 4 years ago. And the gallery's been open for the last 4 years. And we carry contemporary works in prints and oils, paintings, sculptures, and so forth. This is an artist that we have from Spain, and he's very well accepted in Spain. He's been taken in and acquired by the Reina Sofia Museum, which is a very important museum that houses one of Picasso's more important large works as well. Art is important to some people because it could set the mood or the tone for it's something you wake up with every day, and you live with it and you look at it, and hopefully you're able to see different things each time and each day that you look at the work, and you find something a little different, or you have a different perspective on what you're seeing and the work that you're looking at, and it becomes a part of your home.